and today we are doing one of those crazy make it work spreads. So basically, in all of my shopping and like planning my spreads and all those things, I did not buy a kit for my anniversary. So this is the week of my wedding anniversary, and thankfully Anna from Anna Loves 22 or A Loves 22 here on YouTube sent me a printable forever ago, like last year when I was planning in my Happy Planner, and she was planning in the Recollections, so she had phased out of the Happy Planner. So she sent this to me because, you know, obviously I was using a Happy Planner, so maybe I could use it. Well, I didn't use it. I didn't have any reason to use it. By the time I got the kit, it was already like past my anniversary. So as you can see, there are little like inky mess ups, but not a big deal because my plan is mainly to use the full boxes and this set of glitter headers and maybe a few of the little like icon things that look good. And yeah, so that is my plan for this sheet. Now we get into the crazy, as I like to put it. So I pulled these washies. I don't know if I'll use them. This one's from the Target Dollar Spot. I do have another version of this in Scotch, but the black lines are really bold and this one's kind of sheer. I have this little triangular gray print that came from Hobby Lobby forever ago, and then this Scotch silver foil that I just got at Target in a pack with all of those. It's like $5. I was like, yes, give me the foil. Now above and beyond that, let's get into the crazy. Okay, so we have this sheet, and I don't know where it's from or anything like that, so I doubt you can still get it. And then from I Heart to Print are this set of date covers with the numbers being from amandakcrafts leftovers. And then I'm going to use these two color glitter headers, and these are from Anna's shop, Love of Printables Co. So I will make sure to leave her shop and channel link down below. And now I pulled anything and everything that had gray or black. So I have some little banners here with grays from Temp Loves Crafts, a couple of sheets of leftovers from Sweet Fox Papery. I have leftovers from my New Year's kit from Sarah Elizabeth Prints, leftovers from Tasseled Planner, which was back in January, a whole bunch of leftovers from Anna's shop that just have like grays and things. This was called Rustication. I used this a while ago. And then also in here is the collab kit from Bling Bling Planner that we used. And then we have these here. This is the Chili Day kit from Beckyuka's Planner Shop? Becciukas Planner Shop. So there's like a Monday through Sunday box and various other things that I can use. I have some Glam Planner leftovers here. This was like some kind of like Valentine's Day kit, I think. There's just a lot of black and white elements to this and grays. And then I have these leftovers from Temp Loves Crafts from her New Year kit. So lots of leftovers to pull from. Yay, thank goodness, because I was like seriously thinking, oh my goodness, I don't think I have a lot of black and gray, and come to find out I had quite a bit. Now a lot of these were sent to me by Anna, or it was a leftovers giveaway from Chloe Sherwood. I also have my habit trackers and these weekend banners pulled from AB Organizing in her winter multicolor and then the spring multicolor. We're just going through it all here, folks, sorry. I have all of my little scripty stickers from Formless Designs. Guys, I still haven't found like a good link for her. I have her Instagram, but that's about it. So I don't know if she's closed down or if she's not coming back or what the deal is. I have some Sonia's from Love of Printables. I don't know if I'll need those. I have Movie Night from amandakcrafts and from Love of Printables, and the movie marquees from Love of Printables. Ugh, that's a lot of tongue twisters. So I don't know how many of these I'll use, but I figured I'd pull them because I know I will need stuff. And then off to this side I have my little book of goodies and freebies, and this is what travels with my planner everywhere. You guys see this in every video. I pull it out and grab stickers. And I have my G2 Pilot 0.38. I love this pen. It's a great gel pen. It works on all... I haven't ran into a matte paper that it doesn't work on. All these are leftovers from last week, which there might be some black in here. Oh, there is black in here. Interesting. Cool. So I got more leftovers. And then for tools, I have my e.l.f. tweezers, a little cutting apparatus. It's a box cutter. And then I have my Bic whiteout, my Erin Condren ruler, my EK tools, precision scissors, and a Sharpie ultrafine marker just in case I use those glam planner stickers. I have that available to write on those because they're glossy. So this is going to probably be a hot mess, but you know, it's better than not having anything for this spread. So, but that I think is going to do it for our intro. Don't forget that this is a collab with the Plan With Me design group, and if you haven't checked those ladies and folks out before, go ahead and check that link out down below, as well as the link for the Facebook group. So I think that covers it all, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So you know what that means. Here we go.
My audio cut out, so I'm doing a little bit of a voiceover here. I just wanted to let you know that there's a huge stack of stickers I have to keep with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and like it, subscribe, check out the Plan With Me design group down below. There's what's left of that printable sheet, and I will talk to you guys again very soon, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.